In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import Excel into ClickUp. If you're moving projects from spreadsheets into ClickUp, importing your Excel file is the fastest, cleanest way to get set up. Instead of retyping rows and columns, you can bring everything in at once, map your columns to custom fields, and keep key details like budgets, priorities, and client names intact. The best part is that static rows become real tasks you can assign, give due dates to, and track with your team in one organized workspace. First, sign into your ClickUp account. Take a moment to carefully enter your login credentials and double-check for typos so you don't get tripped up at the door. Once you're in, look to the top right corner and click your profile icon, then open Settings. On the left-hand sidebar, find and select Imports/Exports. This is your home base for bringing data into ClickUp. Next, click Start Import. You'll see options for different sources. Choose Spreadsheet, which also covers CSV files. Now, upload your Excel file. Pick the sheet that contains the tasks you want to bring over. It helps if your spreadsheet has clear column headers, because those names will guide the next step. You'll now map your spreadsheet columns to ClickUp fields. This is where your data structure comes to life. Match your deadline column to due date, so ClickUp knows when tasks are due. If you track budgets, map that column to a currency or number field. Priorities can map to priority, and client names can map to a text field or a custom field you use for accounts. If a column doesn't belong in ClickUp, you can skip it. Take your time here. Good mapping means less cleanup later, and it ensures your team can immediately filter, sort, and report on the right details. When the mapping looks correct, choose where these tasks should live in your workspace. Select the exact space, folder, or list that makes sense for your workflow so everything lands in the right place. Then click Complete to start the import. ClickUp will process your file and create tasks with the fields you mapped, so you'll see them appear in your chosen location, ready to assign, schedule, and track. That's all it takes to turn a spreadsheet into a fully functional task list inside ClickUp. If you found value in today's video, please tap like. It really helps others discover this content, and we'd love to hear from you in the comments. Share what worked well for you, or suggest ways we can improve future tutorials. We read every message, and your feedback directly shapes what we make next.